Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope, inshallah, wherever you are, all is well. قال الله تعالى في محكم كتابه ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. Did I not exhort you, O children of Adam, saying, do not worship Satan, he is indeed your manifest enemy. وَأَنِ اعْبُدُونِي هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ. And worship me, that is a straight path. Anyone who does not place himself under the shadow of Allah's guardianship and does not find a permanent and unbreakable connection with God's wali is definitely and certainly under the shadow of the guardianship of Taghut, and will be caught by Taghut and stray from the straight path. The guardianship has two sides: the guardianship of Allah's saints under the guardianship of Allah, and the guardianship of the Taghut. Which one do we choose? This is very important. We must know that if we don't choose the guardianship of Allah, we have definitely chosen the guardianship of the tyrant and Satan. It is strange, but it's true. Because whoever leaves God's domain will inevitably enter the domain of tyrants and Satan. The Holy Quran has introduced any guardianship other than the guardianship of God as the guardianship of Taghut. The Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei in the book An Outline of Islamic Thought says, anything that takes a person aside from God's command and causes a person to rebel against God is tyrant. So Taghut is not a special name, as some people may think that Taghut is a name for an idol. Taghut is not the name of a specific idol. Sometimes the idol is you yourself. Sometimes that idol is your money. Sometimes that idol is your ordinary, comfortable life. Sometimes that idol is your wish. Sometimes that idol is the person you put your hand in his hand and close your eyes and lower your head to take you wherever he takes you. Let's think and ponder and find who we follow. All the best to you. Bye.